Why you love me? You got it back.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm actually starting this vlog because I took out my braids and the girl is feeling herself, so I decided to start a vlog right now. I'm actually at home and yeah, I just feel cute, so I decided to just take up the camera and start my vlog. I don't even know when I'm going to get a chance to take up the camera to continue this vlog, but a start is a start. So yeah guys.
1,000 years
Good morning
later.
guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. Guys, I'm just feeling like today is going to be a great day, and I'm going to keep on manifesting it. Since the first clip that you guys are going to be seeing, I haven't taken up the camera, I haven't gotten the time, I haven't gotten the chance, and I'm not going away. So today I'm going to be linking up with two of my friends. I haven't seen them in a while. I haven't went anywhere with them in a while. We're going to the movies later, so I'm going to be definitely vlogging the whole get ready with me process and stuff like that. Right now I'm about to go on the road. I don't know if I'm going to get to vlog anything because I'm not going to vlog that, but yeah, definitely going to be vlogging later down in the day. I really miss posting, really miss vlogging, I miss the camera, honestly. And I just hope say December will be better. Yeah, so keep on watching guys.
You must mourn her in accordance to the rituals of your ancestors.
So guys, we're just leaving from the movie. I'm not gonna come like a shopping, I go and at the movies. But how much I rate the movie? Me I give it 10 out of 10 because I really love the show. I don't want to be biased. 10 out of 10 because I have to watch it on the free site. I have to watch it back on the free site. But we're going to look something for eating now. Yeah. Them see your face? This is my favorite there.
Feeling my heart, feeling my soul, feeling my body. That you do know, but never fall out of love with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. Today is Sunday. It is actually after 2 right now, and just done beer. Come and look white like our. Don't mind it. It's actually the product that I use. But actually, the on my hand and make it look so white. So we're going to just ignore that. Yeah. So it's after 2 right now, and I'm going to get ready to go to a baby shower, my friend's baby shower, and call the driver. I'm telling him 3 o'clock, but I'm not sure. Is it at 3 or after 3? So whenever I call him, hopefully I'm available by the time I call him. And then yeah, I'm going to talk to you guys about my day while catching up my hair. No, look how my ear with. Look how much up at my ear. But yeah, I'm gonna tell you the story time about yesterday because as you know, or as you can see, I went to the movies last night. So you know, I hate being late. I really and truly hate being late. I'm not the late person. If I'm late, honestly never mean for be late. It just happened. So you know, movie start 5:40 and but then I'm waiting by Yeah, I'm like 5 o'clock. Don't ask me why I'm reaching my pen, but I'm reaching my pen. And boy, the time just a fly. Like, I hate being late. I feel like whenever I'm late, the time starts speed up. Out of nowhere, the time just starts speed up. All of a sudden, the time just I get late. My lip dry, so every time I like this. So, as I say, getting to the moral of why you guys shouldn't be late. Every time yesterday, when I could get a little effort for like go, first of all, my hair wasn't combed. I went to Maypen to get something for my friend's baby shower gift. So that was the main reason why I went to Maypen, because I was already close by. Somebody just want to grab something and then just go straight. I put more go watch the movie. First, my ear never combed because the plan was to come back home and get ready. That never happened. And so my ear never combed. I end up got the new supermarket in Maypen. The roundabout right there, so. And the cashier slow, the people in for the bag slow, and boy, it was just a slow day and a quick time. I end up having to comb my ear, so when I see the clip when I was showing you guys, basically I'm trying to show my ear my feet in the people in the bathroom, yeah, because that's where I had to like catch up my ear, and it catch up so neat, so fast. So yeah, the moral, don't be late. Like, barriers are going to be in your way, and if you don't want it in your way, it's going to go in your way. Like yesterday was the prime example why I hate being late. Like, I just cannot enjoy being late. I start get flustered. I start feel as if I'm not going to make it. Like, nothing about it, but like, not going to make it in time. You know? So yeah, my hair have been water because I washed it today, and then I just be there, so I'm never have no shower cap or nothing, so it got wet. So yeah, just look at how much body my hair have. It's giving body yaddy yaddy. So I'm just going to be catching it up to the back. That's all I'm really doing. The fan is on in the way. I hope it's not making you guys don't hear me properly. But yeah, the movie was really nice. I gave it a 10 out of 10. I never get nothing for eat. I stand up in the movie theater line for look of food and couldn't get it. Like, I feel like little days by me, honestly. There's no way you're supposed to be that slow in a one break time for a movie. Knowing so the movie I gonna start back before the people enter back the cinema or whatever it was. So I never get no food there, so I end up going Wendy's. When I come home and eat the Wendy's, it wasn't all that. I never enjoyed it, to be honest. It was not giving at all. But yeah, I have a mirror right there, so I'm going to be looking right there as well. And I look from a comb and it looks like guys, I'm going to get back to the on camera when I finish doing my ear, because if I follow myself, I'm still going to stand reaching nowhere, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is afterwards. So I got my hair slicked back and I'm about to just put on some clothes because it is, I think it's 2:50 something now, so I'm just going to get ready right now and get back to you guys. This is how I'm looking. I'm actually rushing because the car is outside, but yeah, I'm going to put on my slippers. I haven't lotioned my foot as yet, but yeah, I just needed you guys to see that. Catch y'all back up later. back home and I'm about to end this vlog right now because I want to take a shower. I'm sweating like crazy, sweating out all the product out of my hair. So yeah, today was great. Last night was great as well at the movies, and that's a wrap for the weekend. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Missed you guys, continue supporting the channel. Yeah, and as I say, I'm gonna try my best to put out content for you guys. Yeah, bye guys.